Alam mo yung feeling na parang kang nalulunod? Unti-unting nilalamon ng mga bayarin, ng mga problema, ng walang katapusang pressure. Bawat araw, it just gets heavier and heavier. Parang may isang halimaw, a monster, na dahan-dahan sinisira ka mula sa loob.
Kung pamilyar sa'yo ang pakiramdam na to, yung feeling na para kang sasabog any minute now at hindi mo na alam kung paano ka aahon, well, you are not alone. Hindi ka nag-iisa.
You see, yung halimaw na yan, it has a name. Ang kalaban natin, stress. At para matalo natin siya, we first need to understand kung paano nito sinisira ang ating katawan.
So here's what happens. Kapag stress ka, ang katawan mo, it releases something like a poison. Ang tawag dito ay stress hormone or cortisol. At ito yung unti-unting nagpapahina sa'yo.
Dahil sa lason na to, bumibilis ang tibok ng puso mo. Your head starts to pound. At dahan-dahan, parang kinakain ng kalawang ang lakas mo at yung sigla mo. Ganyan kalupit ang ginagawa ng stress sa katawan mo.
Pero, what if I tell you na merong kang secret weapon? Isang sandata na matagal nang nasa loob mo, waiting to be unlocked. Dahil ang totoo, the power to fight back, nasa iyo na yan.
Ano itong sandata na to? It's meditation. Now, don't worry, hindi ito komplikado. It's actually a very simple way to train your mind para hanapin yung katahimikan at kalinawan sa gitna ng lahat ng gulo.
And when you use this weapon, you unlock superpowers. Seriously, you get sharper focus, less anxiety, yung totoong inner peace, at siyempre, overall well-being.
Ang unang galaw, your first move para talunin ang halimaw ay napakasimple lang. Magsimula tayo sa iyong paghinga.
Okay, gawin natin to ng sabay, ha? I want you to breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold it. Pigilin mo for 7 counts. And then, dahan-dahang ilabas sa bibig mo for 8 counts. Ayan. Ramdaman mo yung pagkalma ng katawan mo.
Great! Ngayon, let's move on to our second move. Kasi hindi lang isip ang napapagod, di ba? Pati na rin ang ating katawan. It's time to release all that heaviness.
We're going to do what's called progressive muscle relaxation. Ang gagawin lang natin is to intentionally tense our muscles, tapos bigla natin siyang i-relax. Dito natin ilalabas lahat ng stress.
Okay, let's try it with your hands. Ay kuyong mo ang mga kamao mo as tight as you can. Really tight. Ramdaman mo yung tension. Sige pa. And now, release. Bitaw. Pakawalan mo. See the difference? Ang laki, di ba? Gawin naman natin sa balikat. I want you to raise your shoulders up to your ears. Mahigpit, parang pasan mo ang buong mundo. Sige, hold it. At ngayon, bitawan mo. Just let them drop. Ganyan. Pag ginagawa mo yan, you are literally letting go of the physical weight of your stress.
With every breath and with every muscle you relax, isang bagong ikaw ang nabubuo. A calmer, stronger you. Oras na para angkinin to own your peace.
At ang maganda dito, hindi mo kailangan ng isang buong oras. Kahit ilang sandali lang sa desk mo habang nagtatrabaho o bago ka matulog, ang kapangyarihang ito, you can use it anytime, anywhere.
So, the question is, handa ka na ba? Are you ready to defeat the monster inside you? Handa ka na bang i-welcome ang bago at mas payapang version ng sarili mo?
Dahil ang kailangan mo lang ay 5 minuto. That's it. 5 minutes a day para paamuin ang halimaw, to find your center, and to feel whole again. Just 5 minutes. You can do that.
Tandaan mo to, okay? Peace is not the absence of trouble. It is the ability to face trouble calmly. At yung kakayahan na yan, nasa iyo na.
Just a quick reminder that the information here is for educational purposes only. For any major health decisions, it's always best to consult a professional.